Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Comfee portable washing machine and the Mihikiki portable washing machine. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, highlighting their unique features and differences. Whether you're living in a small apartment or looking for a convenient washing solution for travel, we've got you covered. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Comfee portable washing machine offers a larger 0.9 cubic feet, making it suitable for small households. In contrast, the Mihiki portable washing machine has a capacity of 13 liters, which is ideal for washing smaller loads like delicate items. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your washing experience, depending on your laundry needs. Price is another crucial factor to consider. The Comfee portable washing machine is priced at $249, reflecting its larger capacity and advanced features. On the other hand, the Mihiki portable washing machine is much more affordable at just $59, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. However, it's essential to weigh the price against the features and capacity you need. In terms of features, the Comfee portable washing machine boasts 5 wash cycles, including heavy and rapid options, along with an LED display for ease of use. Conversely, the Mihiki portable washing machine offers 3 wash modes, which are simpler but effective for delicate items. While the Comfee provides more versatility, the Mihiki's straightforward design caters to those who prioritize simplicity. In conclusion, both the Comfee and Mihiki portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. If you need a more powerful machine with a larger capacity and advanced features, the Comfee is a great choice. However, if you're looking for something compact, affordable, and easy to store, the Mihiki is an excellent option for washing smaller items. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.